Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We have covered the topic of GW Basic Commands and Statements from Unit 5. Here we are going to review the statements. What are the statements? Statements are actually the instructions of the language which are used to give instruction to the computer system to perform certain tasks. These instructions will be explained with their function, syntax, example, and shortcut if any. How we will define the statement? Statement is a group of basic keywords or reserved words. Every language has certain keywords or reserved words which have specific. Let's explore the function, syntax, and example of these statements. The first statement over here, it is CLS. Its function is clear the screen. Syntax, line number, CLS. Example 20 CLS. This is the first statement that is used to clear the output screen. When we use this statement in the program, this statement must have a line number. And also keep it in mind that CLS is that instruction which is used in both modes of programming. Means CLS can be used as a command and statement as well. When it is used as a command, it will just type and press enter, it will clear the screen. Whereas when it is used in a statement mode or a programming mode, then it must start with a line number and it will work the same to clear the screen. Next statement, REM. The function of this statement is to insert the comments which are non-executable line of the basic program that do not affect the size of the object code. Means with this statement we actually write the memory nodes in our program for the program overall or any variable. Means we can just type the comments with this statement that for what purpose the program is designed or for what purpose any variable is used in the program. So these are the lines or statements in a program which are non-executable program in non-executable lines of the basic program. The syntax is over here, line number, then the reserved word of REM, then we will type the comment text within this double quotation. Example over here is we write at line number 30 REM statement, then within double quotation we have given the comment of program to find the area of a circle. Means in any program where we are going to find the circle of area of a circle, we will give the comment as a overall for what purpose we are going to design this program. Then comes the let statement which is used to assign a value to a variable. Assignment operator, which is let statement is used with the assignment operator, but this reserved word is optional for the assignment operator. Means assignment operator can work without the use of let statement, but when we use let, we will use it with the assignment operator. When using the let statement, remember that type of the variable and type of the expression must match. Means with this let statement, when we are going to assign the value to a variable, then this value and variable data type must match. Means we can assign an integer value to an integer variable and we can assign a string value to a string variable. Here in the syntax you can see that let as a statement. When it is used as a statement, it will start with a line number, then the reserved word of let. After that there is the variable for which we are going to assign the value, and value is written at the right hand side of the assignment operator. Here comes the example. Example has line number 50, then let statement, then here comes the num with the percentage sign, which shows that it is an integer variable and it is assigned an integer value of 110. Here you can see that assignment operator right hand side is 110, which is assigned to the integer variable of num integer. And in line number 30 we use the let statement, where we have assigned the string value of Hassan Alam as a student name to a student variable name. This std name $sign shows that this is a string variable, and this variable is assigned the value of Hassan Alam with the assignment operator. Then comes the print statement. Print statement is used to send the output to the standard output unit, that is monitor. The syntax is line number, print, which is the reserved word, then the message or the string that we want to display at the output screen we will write within double quotation. Closing the double quote, separating with the comma, we will give the list of the variables of which we want to display the value at the output screen. In the last column you can see the example code. For example, at line number 90 in a program, we are going to use the print statement to display the message of average is equal to, within double quotation it is written, then with comma we have separated the variable, that is avg of which data type, it is single precision variable. As we know that average always contains a fractional part, so we have declared the variable of single precision with the mark of exclamation sign. Then at line number 30 we have used the print statement to display the message of sum is equal to, and the value of this sum is present in add integer variable, which is given after closing the double quotation and separating with the comma. Then comes the input statement, which is used to take input during the program execution using the keyboards, and here is the syntax which starts with the line number, then input as a reserved word, and the prompt or guideline message for the user to enter which type of value, which is given in double quotation, and then comes the comma. After comma we have listed the variable list for which we are going to take input with this input statement. Here example is line number 40, then reserved word of input, and the message is enter two integers which is given in double quotation. This is the message or prompt which will be displayed at the output screen, and then with double quotation we have separated the variable list with the help of comma, and the variable list is num1 integer variable, comma num2 integer variable. So we use the input statement to take input during the program execution. With this syntax and example we are clear now about its use. Then the next statements over here are read data, if then else, for next. Read data statement, these are the statements which are always used in pair. And for what purpose we use the read data? Read statement is used to read the values from the data statement and assign them to variables. And data statement is used to store the numeric and string constants that are accessed by the program read statements. Syntax is, we will give the right number, then read statement, and read statement will have the list of variables, whereas in another line we will use the data statement with the line number, and data statement will have the constants for the read variables. Here example shows us that at line number 40 we have used the read statement and we have listed the variables. First variable is student name, $, comma, marks integer, then average single precision variable, and in data statement at line number 90 we have given the values are constants to the read variables. So as we have the read statement with 3 variables and every variable have a specific data type, so we will give the values to data statement according to the data types of the read variables. So as the read statement has the first variable which is of string nature, so we will give the first value to the data statement within double quotation, as double quote is necessarily for the string value. So student name variable will get the Musa as a value, and marks integer variable will get 458 as a value, and average variable of single precision type will capture 91.6 as a value. Means read data statement is used in pair, and these two statements will have one-to-one corresponding variables and their values according to their data type. Then comes the if-then statement. If-then statement or if-then else statement, these are the decision statements which are used to decide for certain type of expressions to execute or not. Means these are the statements which are used to decide certain thing in your program. What is the function? If the result of the expression is non-zero or logically true, then the then portion is executed. If result of expression is 0 or false, then is ignored and else portion will be executed. Here is the syntax. With this syntax you can see that we must have to give line number, then the reserved word of if, and if will have an expression, and this expression is of relational nature or logical nature, which gives us the result in the form of a true or false. In other words, you can say that if statement must need a condition on which it will decide to execute the then portion or else portion. Means if statement will execute the then statement if the expression is true, and if expression result means condition result is false, then else portion will be executed. The statement which is given in else portion will be executed if the condition is false, and if condition is true, then after then statement will be executed. The example over here, if num greater than 0, means any variable in a program has the value which is greater than 0, then what will be printed on screen? Positive number, because we know that positive numbers are always greater than 0. And if the condition is false, means inputted number of num variable is less than 0, then else portion will be executed and it will print on screen what? Negative number. So in this way, decision control structure of if then else will be used in pair but on a single line. Here you can see that if then else statement has the single line number of 60. Whereas in read data statement, both statements are given at different line numbers. But if then else statement, where we have 3 reserved words of if, then and else, but these are used on a single line. And these statements are used to decide about then or else execution. If the condition is true in the if statement, then after then, the statement given after then portion will be executed, means true case will be executed, otherwise false case of else will be executed. Then comes the next statement, that is for next, which is used for the execution of a repeated statements, and we will continue after this in the next review. Hopefully you are clear up till now. If you have question, you can ask. Thank you very much.